All right, guys, welcome to the garage. We're working on my 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. I just got this last week, and I'm just kind of working out some of the bugs that it has. It has 215,000 miles on it. One issue that I'm having is a rear turn indicator failure. So this is the left side. I'm just seeing how the blinker's working. It looks like there's two bulbs. This is the left side. I'm going to turn on the right side. Okay, you can see the top is blinking, the bottom one is not. So actually I have two bulbs. I'm gonna replace both of these. This is the failure that I'm getting on the dash. It's saying a rear right turn indicator failure, and then the blinker just blinks like really quickly. So to remove the rear light, we're gonna remove these two screws here. They're a T15 Torx bit. But once we get the housing removed, the bulbs just twist out, and there's three bulbs. It's these top and bottom ones. This even looks like it's kind of got that black smoky look inside of it. I'm gonna replace both of them just so I don't have to worry about any issues with those. So we're just gonna pop those out, pop the new ones in. Bulb size is this Sylvania 7444. I'll leave a link to these. Before I put them all back together, I just want to go turn the lights on, turn the blinker on, make sure that that's the solution that we were looking for. So, all right, they're both flashing. That's a great sign. And the blinker sounds like it's normal now. I'm not getting the warning light on the dash, so it looks like we're good to go. So putting it back together is pretty simple. We're just going to put the bulbs back. Let's get hot. The bulbs just snap into this housing here and just turn them back in. Lights all snap back in. You just turn them clockwise to snap them in. And I'm going to line up these two black clips in those two holes there, and then just put the screws in. And to finish it off, we just put the screws back in. Okay guys, so that was a pretty simple fix of those Taillight bulbs. I'll leave a link to the bulbs that I used, as well as the T15 Torx bit if you need that as well. But thanks for watching the video. Guys, see the playlist down below of all the videos on this truck. I've got a lot more coming. This is just the start of a couple of videos I've done. So I've still got a lot more things to do. Maintenance, service, repairs, modifications on this truck. So stay tuned to the channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.